guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute Easter DIY from the Dollar Tree for you. So let me show you what we're going to do. I wanted a picture, so I'm going back to my gift bags again, and I'm going to change it up just a little bit. So let me show you what you'll need if you want to make this project. You're going to need one of these bags from Naturally Dollar Tree. And this is the back side because I've already cut out my picture that I'm going to be using. Then you're going to need an 8x10 frame, whatever kind you want. And I spray painted mine with this gloss gumdrop from Krylon. And I really love how this color turned out. Then you're going to need a glue gun. And I may use some flowers. And then you're going to need something to cut your flowers, scissors, and this is so simple, a pen or pencil. So I've done this many times before, but I do have some new subscribers, well, several new subscribers, so let me show you how I do it. It's really simple. I've been doing this for quite a while. Like I said, I spray painted my picture frame any color you want it. But I felt that this kind of pulled out the colors very nicely, okay? So, and clean your glass really well on your picture frame too before you, while your picture frame is drying, go ahead and clean your glass. And to me, this is how I do it. It's just a lot simpler if I want to see how exactly where I want to put this. So you just lay your glass on it and you just move it around till you see what you like. Then you take a pen or pencil and trace around it and cut it out. It's that simple. It's so easy, but it gives such a nice look. So this is the one that I actually cut out. It's the dimensional side, okay? So all I'm going to do right now, but this gives you such a customizable look, and it's so simple, but it looks like you spent a lot of money, but you didn't. It's very affordable. Then just pop the back on. And you could put glitter around the picture frame if you want. I did that for Christmas. And that right there is what we have, and I think it's adorable. But what I wanted to do is, since these eggs were dimensional and I had to cut them off, I didn't really want to lose them. So I'm going to glue the rest of the egg actually on to the frame. So I'm going to put some glue here on my paper. And line it up with the other egg and just press down. I think it's going to give a lot of dimension to this frame. And you don't have to use a lot of glue. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Just line it up. And those eggs are continuing. I think that's adorable. Now, like I said, I may just put, you could put anything you wanted on these. You could put ribbon or whatever. Like I said, you could put glitter. But I'm thinking about maybe putting one or two little flowers. You could do that, but I don't know if I want to. It is pretty. Well, let's see. If I don't like it, I can always take it off. But I'm going to cut them really, really short. See, do I really want to put the flower on there? It's cute, but I don't know. I really think I like it without the flower. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I think it looks very nice like it is, but you can see it's so dimensional and so cute. If you would see this out, you'd pay a lot of money for something like this. It's very customizable, like I said. So I'm going to put this on my sofa table. I'm pretty sure that's where I'm going to put it. So I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, here it is on my sofa table. I had to close the windows because there's so much light coming in, but I think it looks so festive and springy, and I love it with that dimension. It is really cute. And I just put it over here beside my little flower arrangement I made last year and my little orbs that I made last year. And I just have some bunnies sitting there, and I think it looks really sweet. So you can see you can make you a very customizable Easter picture very inexpensively from the Dollar Tree. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.